Forex position trading, swing trading, position trading, day trading, scalping, many types of trader there. But who are position traders who trade on position trading? Basically, they hold the trade longer term. Like if you are a swing trader, then you will wish to hold a trade like 3 days, 4 days, or sometimes a week. But if you think that no, I will hold my trade like a month, even like a year, like couple of months, then you are a position trader. You need to choose the strategy of position trading. Here I have shown position trading method on Euro GBP, Euro against pound. But you can trade on many different pairs. There are many suitable pairs on which position trading is suitable also. And I didn't use any indicator, rather I use a tool, that is trend line tools, and which is available on MT4 or MT5 platform. So let me show you practically. This is Euro JPY, Euro against Euro against pound, Euro GBP, and this is monthly chart. As if we want to hold our position, if we want to be a position trader, then we need to hold our trade like sometimes month after month. So this is first we will watch it on monthly chart. So in monthly chart the trend is in uptrend, so we will point some area. This is our first pointed area, and this is our first swing point. From here, price from here to here, price came from this way and then stall here. From here, price started to go back, started to rise again from here to here. Then when price came this area, we can see that there is some little noise in movement in market. Market was in indecision point whether it will rise or fall, and then market fall again. So we will wait, and when we got this, market again started to move from here. When we got this point, that market there is some seller, but buyer comes and push the market up. So when this area breaks, we can buy from this point, we can buy from here. So if we bought here, we could make profit from here to here, like here, and then we got a second chance to buy again here. So as this is a position trading method, so we need to remember that we have to hold our trades like some couple of months, and sometimes like 6 months, even 7 months, even a year. This is a position trading. This is the position trading's core thing, that we need to hold our trading for a long time. Now I will show you another chart, and that is Euro CAD, Euro against Canadian dollar, and this is on weekly chart, because most of the cases we know that position trading traders always prefer weekly chart and sometimes monthly chart. So this is our weekly chart. I'm going to point out some area. This is our first area. We got this, then we got this, then we got this, we also got this, we also got this. Point out this area. So from here market started to rise, and if we just bought here, we could make like 1173 pips, more than 1000 pips we could make. So after that, price started to fall but did not succeed, because from here price again started rise. We can, if we took this opportunity, we could make some money also, and then we got another opportunity here, we got another opportunity here, we got another opportunity here. Market tried to up but didn't, market tried to down but didn't succeed. Again market goes up, again sellers tried to push back in market but buyers come and boom, market again rose again another time. So if we got a chance here, 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 here and here, so these are the area where position trading traders will find opportunity to buy. If you have any question about position trading and which time frame is best, which pairs are best, then tell me, ask me. I will make you more clear about these things. Ask me on my comment section. Bye for today. Hope join you with new videos next episode.